Ang dami mong ano, Mikaya. Angels. Busy. Back to school. BG lang.
Back to school, 2 weeks.
Me?
You're 22 days. 20 days.
That time.
Is that your safe place?
Can Dad get you there?
That's a lot.
That's a lot of stuff.
That's a lot of stuff, Jelana. What you gonna do with that?
Ready? Want me to show you my trick?
Yeah, I'll tell them. Yeah, they're not gonna come. Yeah, you go around one more. Two more. Three. Ready. Balik eskwela na. Sabi ko ang dami mong angels dyan. BG. RR Villaruel. Hello Philippines. Ayan. Salamat sa patamsak dyan at pag-subscribe.
Oh, like this. Ready? Ready, fire. Fire once. Want me to shoot you? Shoot me.
Ayan. RR Villaruel. Don't forget to subscribe po.
Mine?
Yep.
This one to you. What?
Oh, it fells everything, Dad.
Team.
You ready?
It's team, Dada.
Oh, you got palupet, Jelana.
Oh, look over there.
Trick you. Trick you, Daddy. Trick you, Jelana.
Ready? Yeah. Oh, now you're in trouble.
Oh.
You're on my trampoline. Here I go.
No, you want my trampoline now.
Okay, here you go.
No, Daddy. You want yours?
Oo.
Yours. Only that's yours.
Dumadami mga angel mo dyan ah.
I'm gonna get you.
You want yours? That yours? Is that
No, I don't need it.
yours? Yeah, you need it.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Dad! My trampoline.
Oo. Oh, Dad, you hurt her. Hello, Elenita. Oo, may mamumo. Agoy, meron pa oh. May mumo. Yan, nadagdag views din yan. Welcome here, Mumo. Ayan. You want this? You want something? Some of this? MLSO.
Oh, look at this, a bug.
Trick you.